All right, guys, just a real quick review of today's assignment over text features. So yesterday we learned about text features. Today you are actually going to use some text features. You are going to add those into your to this blank document. So first you're going to read it, then you're going to make some paragraphs with it, and then you're going to add a map, a graph, a chart, a drawing, or a diagram. And then once you do that, then you'll add a couple headings or some key terms. So you'll go ahead and open the document, which I've already done here. Once you have the document open, you read it, you make the paragraphs, then you're going to decide what you're going to add in. So here's a quick tutorial on how to add each type. If you want to add a chart or a graph, put the cursor where you're going to put it and then click Insert Chart, and you can pick which type you want to insert. So for this, I'm going to say a column graph, and it's going to create it and put it down here. Now clearly that's not the data that we want to display. So to modify that, you click on it, and then right here, click Open Source. And that's going to take you to the spot where you can actually edit the data in the chart. So you see these are the titles of the bars. These are the titles on the other axis. And you can change these to whatever you want them to be. 0, 1, 2, 3. I'm just going to put some random ones in here. If you only need one group of columns, you can delete the rest of it, and you can change the titles over here. So like if you wanted one to be QB, RB, wide receiver, defense. Again, I'm just putting some random stuff in here. So it's going to give you a preview of your chart right here. Once you have it what you want it to look like, you go back to your document. Now obviously it doesn't match here, so you click on Update, and boom, there is your chart. You can change the colors, all that stuff. Don't spend too much time with that though. So that's how you can do a chart or a graph. Now, if you're going to add in a map or a diagram that you find on the internet, you just kind of search it. I'm just going to search for random map here. You can do so in images. And then again, you can just, you probably copy the image and then go back in here and you can Control V to paste that in. Now, your image needs to make sense with whatever you are trying to display from this. So not just a random map where some teams are at, not just a diagram of random stuff. It needs to help aid the reader in understanding the text. So take a little bit of time to decide what you're going to add in here, whether you're going to do a map, a graph, a chart, or a diagram, and create that and add it in. Once you're done with that, then you can do the other part of the assignment, which is a couple headings or a few key terms and words. So I'm excited to see what you guys add and create in, and we will go back over this next week. Have a good one.